You may already aware that virtual private networks are almost taking over the internet in many platforms. However, one thing that is confusing is the type of VPN. You might be thinking, if you get VPN for Windows, you may be able to use it on all other platforms. But this is not true. There are different types of VPNs, and each of them has its own uses and applications. So let us know about VPN types. There are 3 types of VPNs. OpenVPN is a free VPN protocol that can be used by both Windows and Linux users. It was initially developed by Cisco Systems. The main purpose of using OpenVPN is to provide security to your network. The best part of this VPN is that it does not require any special configurations or settings. It will work with most routers and firewalls. It provides various features such as port forwarding, dynamic DNS, server-side encryption, etc. The major drawback of this VPN is that there is no option available for mobile devices. Point-to-point tunneling protocol. This is an older version of VPN technology, which is used mainly for connecting 2 computers. It is very easy to configure and set up. However, it comes with a few drawbacks. First, it is not compatible with IPv6. Second, it is susceptible to man-in-the-middle attacks. Third, it requires manual configuration. Moreover, it also cannot handle large data transfer rates. The last point is, it is not secure enough to protect against eavesdropping and snooping. L2TP stands for Layer 2 Tunneling Protocol. IPsec stands for Internet Protocol Security. These protocols were originally designed for securing communications between 2 computers. They both work pretty much similar. But when it comes to choosing between them, we need to look at things from a business standpoint. If you are running a home-based business, then either of these 2 protocols would be fine for you. But if you want to take advantage of online businesses, then the L2TP protocol would be more suitable for you. This is because it supports AES 256-bit ciphers. Now, let's take a look and see what type of VPN is a Windows VPN. And what type of VPN protocol is used in Windows VPN. Windows offers 2 types of VPN protocols. First one is Virtual Network Gateway. This is a default gateway provided by Windows 10 OS that allows you to connect to Azure resources through a local network connection. To do so, you need to set up Microsoft Notification Protocol. When you connect to this VPN, you can browse websites, run applications, upload files, download files, and access resources in the cloud. You should note that MSNP can only be configured once you make changes to system policies. Secure Socket Tunneling Protocol. This type of VPN protocol is usually found on all Windows operating systems before Windows 7 Service Pack 1. This protocol uses Secure Sockets layer. This is ideal for those who are looking for a reliable VPN solution. But since this protocol doesn't use transport layer security, it's vulnerable to man-in-middle attacks. Hence, you might experience connectivity issues while browsing in the internet. As you've already learned, there are different types of VPN protocols available that make one VPN different from the other. Due to this, one might start thinking about what type of VPN is used on Windows platforms. Well, the answer to this question depends on whether the user is using a Windows stock VPN or a third-party network. If the user is using a third-party service, then the above 3 mentioned protocols are commonly used for all types of VPNs. However, if the user is using a Windows-specific VPN, then he should rely on the Microsoft protocols. We hope you've enjoyed reading this article and have learned something new and interested. Thank you so much for watching.